It's crazy. Hi guys. So what do y'all do to get rid of the hiccups? I must have swallowed some air and didn't realize it. Cause and these things hurt. I ain't had the hiccups in so long. Y'all hear how congested I am? I'm just catching it on all ends of the stick. But hey guys. Oof. Do y'all get hiccups now? Like, do they hurt when y'all get them? Because these hiccups hurt. They hurt. Like, oof. It's like, oh man. I remember when I was younger, it used to make that little noise. The hiccup. No, it's just like silent. It's just like contraction. All contraction. It sucks. Crack jacks because it hurt like crap. Anyway, what do y'all do to get rid of y'all hiccups though? Because these things, they hurt. Hey Charles. Swallow some peanut butter. I'm not buying no. Oh my gosh, I'm not buying nowhere that has peanut butter. I got plain butter at home though. I'm about to go to the grocery store. Y'all think they'd be mad if I opened up a thing of peanut butter? I pay for it, but oh, that hurt it. Y'all think they'd be mad at me? I'd be like, look, somebody told me to take some peanut butter and eat some peanut butter. Oh my gosh, these niggas suck. Hey y'all, they hurt so bad. Sheesh. Come on. I'm damn. These things hurt, y'all. I think I swallowed some air. I really think I swallowed some air. What's on the what you gonna do to help me? What you gonna do to help me? Because right now I'm just like, what in the world? I think I'm too old to be getting hiccups. These things hurt. My digestion, it's good. That's why I'm confused on why I got them. Literally, what was that? I was talking and I felt like I swallowed some air. As soon as I did that, it just was like hiccup. That's funny. These things hurt though. I ain't even gonna lie. And I'm congested on top of that. So this like the wrong time to be trying to give me some hiccups. Like, come on now. Maybe. Yeah, right. I've been this hype for so long. Listen, if I clog these breathing things, honey, I know you hear how congested I'm already is. I'm gonna end up probably stop breathing. You want me to pass away? I ain't trying to pass away yet, not yet. So that's a no-go. Jamil, your big ass up. I already can't breathe out my nose. Trying to get me not to breathe out my mouth. Type of friend are you? What I do to you? Hey y'all, I missed y'all. I couldn't get on here and talk to y'all a few times because I ain't had no voice. I'm good now though. No, I don't want you to push on nothing. I'm hot. I'm congested, y'all. You think they'll let me eat the peanut butter while I'm in here in this store? Because I open it and I get some peanut butter right now while I'm in the store. That way, I know I got them. Oh, hey guys. Y'all got people looking at me like I'm crazy. I ain't crazy. not today. We having chicken fajitas tonight, y'all. What y'all having? Okay, so guess what? I'm gonna have to probably call y'all later because so y'all probably ain't gonna hear me in here. So what I'm gonna do is we gonna catch up on this later, okay? I love y'all. Bye. Thanks.